We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works hard to make everyone happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now we're thrilled to share this one with you. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're only one call away from serving you.